Hi Jennifers, you all are welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. I am Jennifer Chris, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 Micellar Water. Yay! So guys, as you can see, I have my makeup on. I've gone out to work and I'm back, and here is my Nivea Micellar water. I am totally excited to be doing this in front of you guys today. This is a complete review. Okay, so instead of doing it and coming to explain to you, I would rather do it right here so you can see exactly what it is. Okay, so guys, let us start with taking one of our cotton pads and dipping it in the micellar water. All right. All right, let's get into it. So guys, I would love to say that I am not wearing foundation. I'm just putting on powder, yeah, different shades for highlight and contour, and a matte lipstick. Okay, then I'm not wearing eyeshadow. I didn't draw my brows, so I have a bare brow, but I have eyeliner on. Okay, so I'm going to be using this to see how fast and how clean it wipes my makeup. So here it is for details. Look at how my face looks with this makeup on. So let's get into it. First off, let's do one wipe. Can you see that? Oh my god. Can you see this? Like I love this. All right, so in my mind I'm like, let me try to wipe my eyeliner. You guys know that eyeliners are very difficult to clean, especially liners and what's it called, yeah, eyeliners. So guys, this is it. I was using it on my face and I was loving how it felt. You know why? Because it didn't sting. It doesn't have that, stinging sensation. That's number one. Secondly, it didn't hurt my eyes. As you can see, I could use it on my eyelids, unlike other, cleansers and what have you. So this product, I think, is really mild, that I could use it on my eyelids and it didn't sting, and also it didn't burn my eyes. So I decided to take a wipe on my matte lipstick, and this is it. This is it. It's doing its thing, you guys. I feel like it's so effortless to use this to clean and remove your makeup, because with just one cotton pad, like 80% of the makeup is gone. Is gone. Can you see? Can you see this? This is a combo of eyes, lips, and powder makeup. All right, so for complete and total cleansing, I want to go in again. You guys don't mind, my sister, she was distracting me. So I decided to go in on my forehead, the corners of my ears, corners of my nose, and all that. Okay, so in my honest review, you guys know that I always advocate whatever you use on your face, you use on your hands as well. So yes, this is me using this Nivea Micellar water on my hands. Do not say that, oh, it's not meant for your hands and all that. Yeah, I do use it on my hands because I wanted to get rid of all the dead skin or whatever that is on my hands. Okay, so what's good for your face is also good for your hands. Thank you. Can you see how clean this face looks right now? Yes, I think this Nivea micellar water actually does what it says it does. I feel very refreshed. It didn't leave my face dry at all. So yeah, this micellar water is a good buy. Am I going to purchase it again? Definitely yes. I love this, and for me, I would recommend it if you have a sensitive skin, if you have a normal skin, if you have a combination skin. It didn't hurt my skin in any way, and my skin feels very clean and refreshed. As you can see, feels so plump. I don't feel dry and at all. So yeah, it does what it says it does, you guys. So what it promises to do is deeply cleanse, removes makeup, refresh and tones, contains vitamin E and provitamin B5. You guys, I just decided to do this with you all so you can see how well it does the job. Okay, so yeah, like I said earlier, this is a good buy. It's 10 over 10 for me and I recommend it. All right, so let me know if there's another product you would want me to review for you, and I might just get it done for you. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.